Best value for money dash cameras in Aliexpress. Dash cameras can range in price from a few dollars to several $100s, depending on the features and quality of the camera. Here is an overview of 3 price ranges for dash cameras and the types of features you can expect at each level. Budget. Dash cameras in the budget price range, typically under $40, may offer basic features such as high-definition video, loop recording, and a wide-angle lens. These cameras may not have as many advanced features as more expensive models, but they can still be a good value for those who are looking for a basic camera to record incidents for insurance purposes. The AZDOME M01 Pro is a dash camera that offers a range of features to help you capture clear and detailed footage of your driving. One key feature of the AZDOME M01 Pro is its HD 1080p video capability, which allows you to record high-definition footage of the road and surrounding area. The AZDOME M01 Pro also has a super night vision feature, which allows the camera to record clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. This can be especially useful if you do a lot of driving at night or in areas with poor visibility. The wide-angle 150 degrees lens of the AZDOME M01 Pro provides a broad field of view, allowing the camera to capture a large area around the vehicle. This can be useful for recording incidents that occur outside of the driver's direct field of view. Finally, the AZDOME M01 Pro has a G-sensor accident auto detection feature, which can detect sudden changes in acceleration or deceleration, such as during a collision, and automatically save the footage for later review. Mid-range. Dash cameras in the mid-range price range, typically between $40 and $150, may offer additional features such as GPS logging, motion detection, and automatic start and stop. These cameras may also have higher quality video and a more durable build than budget models. The 70mm Pro Plus. One key feature of the 70mm Pro Plus is stunning 1944 pixels HD recording capability, which allows you to capture critical details such as license plates and road signs in high definition. The 70mm Pro Plus is equipped with a megapixel Sony IMX335 image sensor, which provides excellent image quality and low-light performance. The 3D DNR and WDR features also help to improve image clarity by reducing noise and adjusting exposure balance in low-light or high-contrast environments. The f1.8 large aperture also helps to brighten up dark scenes. The 70mm Pro Plus has a built-in GPS system that monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. This can be useful for tracking your route and monitoring your driving habits. The GPS system also tracks the exact location of an accident, which can be crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The 70mm Pro Plus also has advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that detect your surroundings and use voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. This can help to improve safety and prevent accidents caused by distracted or inattentive driving. 24-hour parking surveillance. Keep monitoring when you are away. The built-in G-sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary, and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash cam will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. The 70mm Pro Plus has app control, which allows you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dash cam's Wi-Fi. The app also locks emergency videos to the event file to prevent an overwrite. High-end. Dash cameras in the high-end price range, typically over $150, may offer a wide range of advanced features such as dual-channel recording, live streaming, and automatic collision notification. These cameras may also have a more sophisticated design and higher quality video and audio than mid-range or budget models. The AZDOME M550 is a triple-channel dash camera that offers a range of features to help you capture clear and detailed footage of your driving. One key feature of the AZDOME M550 is its support for 3-channel recording, which allows the camera to record footage from 3 different cameras simultaneously. The AZDOME M550 also has a super night vision feature, which allows the camera to record clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. This can be especially useful if you do a lot of driving at night or in areas with poor visibility. The AZDOME M550 has a built-in GPS tracking system that monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. This can be useful for tracking your route and monitoring your driving habits. The AZDOME M550 also has built-in Wi-Fi, which allows you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dash cam's Wi-Fi. This can be convenient if you want to access your footage on the go or share it with others. The AZDOME M550 also has a G-sensor feature, which can detect sudden changes in acceleration or deceleration, such as during a collision, and automatically save the footage for later review. The front camera records in 4K resolution, the inside camera has IR technology for low-light recording, and the rear camera records in 1080p resolution. This can be useful for capturing incidents that occur outside of the driver's direct field of view and for recording the interior of the vehicle. As a bonus, the AZDOME M550 comes with a free 64GB SD card, which provides plenty of storage space for your footage.